How to fix CIBC error code on iPhone after latest update. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and make sure that you are connected to a proper working internet connection, and if not, then you can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, as CIBC app requires a proper working internet connection to be working just fine. If not, you can also enable airplane mode for the time being and then disable it after a few seconds, as this will refresh your network connection. See if that helps, and if not, then open App Store and tap on the search bar and search for CIBC app, and make sure that the CIBC app is updated to its latest version. And if not, then go ahead and update the app to its latest version. See if that helps, and if not, then simply open Settings on your device and tap on General and then on iPhone Storage. Here, scroll down and navigate to the CIBC application you see there and tap on it. Further, tap on the Offload app option and offload the app and reinstall the app again, as doing this will free up storage used by the app and keep its documents and data safe. And see if that helps, and if not, then you can simply go ahead and try to restart your iPhone, as a simple restart helps in fixing majority of minor glitches on your iPhone. And just in case if your issue is not fixed yet, then go back to your home screen and tap hold on the CIBC application and then tap on the remove app option and then tap on delete app. Go ahead and delete the app and then reinstall the app from your app store, and by now your application should be working just fine. So, these were a few fixes on how you can fix CIBC error code on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.